This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by catching the thought quickly. Name it aloud or in your head as thinking so you separate yourself. Once named, ground your body using 5-4-3-2-1. Identify 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. Then do a 4-4-6 breathing cycle to calm the nervous system. This reduces intensity so you can act. Make sure to keep your posture open and eyes level to reinforce safety and presence. Once calm, you shift to examining the thought. Ask yourself for concrete evidence that proves or disproves it within 1 minute, avoiding rumination. Next, generate 2 balanced alternatives, one optimistic, one realistic, to widen your view. Then perform a small behavioral test that directly contradicts the negative prediction, like sending a short message or taking a 5-minute walk. Doing so provides feedback. If reality doesn't match the fear, the thought loses power, and you learn new, corrective information. You finish by recording 1 sentence about what happened to create memory updating. Note any mismatch between fear and outcome. Then reinforce the new learning with a quick 10-second grounding followed by a short mantra you choose, repeated 3 times to embed calm. If you find you're stuck or overwhelmed, stop and use a structured 10-minute distraction, walk, chore, or a simple task. Then reapply the process. This prevents escalation and gives your brain space to reset before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.